Jumpstart your visit to the award-winning Main Street Antiques and Design Gallery with coffee from Defined Coffee. Main Street Antiques is the largest antique mall in the South, located in the heart of Mooresville, North Carolina, with over 500 vendors showcasing antiques, vintage goods, arts, clothing, jewelry, accessories, handcrafted items, homemade soaps, and woodworking. There's something for everyone at Main Street Antiques. What sets Main Street Antiques apart is its unique location inside a beautifully restored 1890s textile mill. And it shares the same roof as the award-winning Aliño Pizzeria and the Barcelona Burger and Beer Garden. Just walking around is a unique and gratifying experience with beautiful wood ceiling beams and brick walls, providing a memorable setting for a wide range of antiques, collectibles, and home decor items. Main Street Antiques features booths from local vendors whose merchandise changes regularly, so there will always be new pieces to see. So come on in for a visit to Main Street Antiques and Design Gallery, the best and largest antique mall in the South, located at 500 South Main Street, 3 blocks south of downtown Mooresville, inside the former Burlington Industries Mill. With 160,000 square feet of space, you're sure to find something you'll love.